Okay. So we're gonna do cartridge. This is actually a Pokemon Crystal cartridge. The battery's still good on it, so I'm not gonna worry about that. On the pins on it. Damn. Switch gears. Do 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 do. Game Boy Pocket. A little bit of polarizer. This and one of these. Let's get the polarizer in first. So I'm gonna clean this off. Garbage. Okay. We have a really faint line right there. Really faint. Okay, so that's right there towards the top. Okay. Good. Alright. So the rest of this basically just clean this off real good. Look at that. Need to cut some traces. Yeah, it looks cut. I dare you.
So I just wanted to speed this part up. Basically just putting in the bivert chip, using all the solder points on the back of the board there. I originally had set this thing up to use a potentiometer so I could control the brightness of the backlight, but just out of simplicity and getting it done, I opted to forego that. I do have another one I'm probably going to do that too, but I want to be a little bit more prepared for that. So I'm just wiring it all up right now. I used to mount these to the speaker, but have recently decided to just mount these right next to the CPU. So it looks like it all works. And just fixing the polarizer there. A little dirty. Buttons, wiring, capped on tape, you know. Works. Beauty. Just taking pictures of it. I guess looking to sell it, so hope you guys learned something. We'll subscribe for the next one. Hope you enjoyed, and take it easy. Peace.